एक बार फिर से आप सभी का स्वागत है फाइनेंस गुरु के चैनल पर और लेटेस्ट अपडेट मैं लेकर आई हूँ इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट से। अगर आपने ऐसे कुछ कैश ट्रांजैक्शन किए तो आपको 100% पेनल्टी पड़ सकती है। तो ऐसी लेटेस्ट अपडेट के लिए, रूल्स के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस वीडियो को शेयर करें जिससे सभी को ये इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट का नया रूल कैश ट्रांजैक्शन को लेकर अगर आप लिमिट क्रॉस करते हैं तो पेनल्टी भरनी पड़ेगी। तो आइए जानते हैं विस्तार से। Income tax on cash transaction. A limit has been set for cash transaction under the Income Tax Act 1961. This act also prohibited deduction, allowance, expenses, etc. given in cash. The government wants to promote digital transaction, therefore rules have been made to prevent payment in cash beyond a certain limit. Many times people are not aware of the rules and end up to causing harm to themselves because of violation of the punishable offense. How much penalty will be imposed for cash transaction over the limit? Let us tell you that a limit has been set for cash transaction under Section Act Tax Act 1961. The act also prohibits deduction, allowance, expenses, etc. given in cash. The income tax department warned that if transactions above a limit are settled through cash, then if caught, the income tax department will impose a fine equal to the amount paid in cash. It is important to know about the tax rule on cash transaction. Many times people unknowingly make cash transaction beyond the limit and then later have to pay a heavy penalty. Therefore, one should be aware of the rules so that one can avoid making such mistake. The Income Tax Department said in a brochure issued on January 2, 2025 says no to cash transaction. Many information related to cash transaction has been shared in the brochure. It will tell you about the limit of the cash transaction not to exceed. Section 269S is expecting and taking loan deposit and specified amount in cash. No person can accept any loan or deposit or other signified sum in cash if amount or aggregated to amount to 20,000 or more. Specified sum means taken a advance or any amount in respect to transfer of immovable property. This rule does not apply to a government banking company, post office, bank account, cooperative society, banks related activities. A cooperative established by a central state or provision act, a government company falling with section 245 of Company Act 2013, a notified institution, association or body or class of institution, associations or body. The above orders does not apply even if both the person give cash and person taking it earning agriculture income and neither of them has the income taxable under the Tax Act 1961. Penalty for violation. In case of violation of the rule under section 271D of the Income Tax Act, the same amount as the amount taken in cash will be paid as a penalty. Section 269 ST receiving money in cash. Under Section 269 ST on the Income Tax Act, a person is prohibited from receiving an amount of 2 lakh or more in cash in a day. This rule applies to everyone whether the person is taxable or not. Total amount taken from one person in a day, an amount of more than 2 lakh cannot be taken in a cash from a single person in a day. For single event or occasion, an amount of more than 2 lakh cannot be taken in cash from a single person or any single event or occasion like marriage, birthday, etc.